Hello. In this tutorial we will show you how to create a variable product. First we will head over to the website and log in and be greeted with the dashboard. Next we will use our mouse to find and select products, and we will select Add New. Please allow the page to load fully before continuing. As you can see, my internet has taken a bit of a dip and is taking longer to load. Once the page is loaded, we will start by entering a product title. In this example, I will select a ruler. For the time being, we will copy this and we will move down to the Yoast SEO. When we reach the focus key phrase, we will simply paste in our title and we will scroll down to the edit snippet. Here we will enter the title as a stake, and we will ensure that the title is also in the meta description. Please remember to fill out the meta description until the bar below turns green. As you can see, I've entered the meta description until the bar has turned green. Next, I will select Edit Snippet, closing that. Scrolling down to the product data section, as you can see by default, it has been selected as a simple product. We will select the drop down and we will choose variable product. Next, we will do the inventory. Here again, we are able to enter our stock keeping unit, which I will create a dummy amount for. Moving forward, we are able to change the shipping classes and so forth. We will then go to the attributes section. Here we will say add custom product attribute, and this is where we will give a name for our attribute. In this case, we have a product titled rulers, and we will make the variables the different colors. Once I've entered a name, I will then select used for variations. And on the value side, I will start entering the values that will be available in the drop-down box. As you can see, I've entered the 5 different colors, and I will next select Save Attributes. Once it has been saved, we will then move on to the actual variations. Once the page is loaded, we will, from the drop-down box, we will select Create Variations from all attributes. We will then select Go, and it will ask us to confirm. Again, we will select OK, and then it will confirm how many variations it has created. We will select OK, and as you can see, it has created the 5 variables, the black, clear, green, red, and blue. By clicking on one, we are able to open it. Here, we are able to enter the stock keeping unit for that variable, as well as the price for the variable, and change the stock, status, and so forth. We are also able here to choose an image for the black ruler. By selecting Upload Image, a new window will open. Here, we are able to find an image already loaded on the media library, or we are simply able to upload a new image. For the time being, we will select Media Library, and I will upload this ruler. I will then select Set Variation Image, and as you can see, the image has now appeared. Once I am happy with the black ruler, I will close it, and I will move up to the clear ruler. Here again, we are able to insert the price, the stock keeping units, as well as an image. Please note that if you do not select an image for the variation, it will default grab the main product image selected here. So, as you can see, we have set an image for the black and the clear. We will leave the rest without any images to show my point. We will simply enter the price and we'll start keeping units for these last three variables. Once we are happy with all the variables, we will simply select Save Changes and we will wait for it to finish. As you can see, I've had the same SKU, one of the products. Once we're happy, we will select Save Changes once again. Next, we will scroll down to the short product description, where we will insert a description pertaining to the product. Once we are happy, we will scroll back to the top of the page, where we are able to select the categories. Here we will look for the category rulers, and if we are not able to find it, we are simply able to select Add New Category, and we're able to create the ruler category. Moving on to the product tags. Here again we will insert the title of the product, as well as the brand, and so forth. Once we're happy with the product tags, we will go to the product image. I will simply select Set Product Image, and I will choose, for this example, an actual pen. I will then select Set Product Image, and as you can see, it is loaded. I will next review and ensure that I have done everything correctly, and once I am happy, I will scroll to the top of the page and I'll simply select Publish. Once the product has been created, I will go to View the Product to show you the product images. As you can see, it has loaded the ruler with the main image of the pen. When we go to choose an option, we can choose blue, and the image stays the same, as we did not set an image for that variable. However, if we select black, you will notice that the image will change to the image we selected for the black variable. That is how you go about creating a variable product.